How to hide page transparency on Facebook. Now, in this quick video, I'll show you one of the way for you to be able to hide page transparency on Facebook. So if you go ahead and switch into the page that you would like to be hidden, all you have to do here is to click on the account tab at the top right, and then choose on settings and privacy, and then go back into settings. Next is you'll be redirected into your preferences, audience and visibility, and so on and so forth. Now, under audience and visibility, if you head straight into page setup, page transparency is no longer available here as of 2026 moving forward because they have changed it. So all I have to do to still have it hidden is to go back into this account tab, choose on help and support, and then choose on report a problem. Now, this is the only way for us to be able to send a request into Facebook customer service from Meta that we would like to hide this specific page transparency on our account. And that's it. That's the most convenient way for you to be able to hide page transparency on Facebook.